Hello, my name is Heather Smith, and I'm going to be doing a quick little demo of the USCIS Civics Test Study Tools app. This is an app created by the Citizenship and Immigration Services to help people prepare for their interview during their naturalization process when they're trying to become citizens. I think that this could be a great app to be used for a government class or U.S. history class where you want to teach students about how difficult the process is to become a citizen if you weren't someone who was born a citizen. So within this app, you can find a lot of great information. If you click on this information icon at the bottom, it has links to immigration questions, things specifically about this, and then an explanation of what to expect during the naturalization interview, which is something that students in a government class might be interested to learn. It talks about eligibility requirements and that there are different components, including an English test that you have to take, reading, writing, and speaking. There's also a speaking test. And then there is, of course, the civics test, and there are 100 civics questions on the test. But basically, you have an option of 100 possible questions. You could ask 10 vocally, and then you have to get at least 6 out of the 10 correct. But I thought it would be interesting way for students to kind of see what that process looks like. And then we'll also do a quick run through of what the test actually looks like when you do a practice test in here. So just hit start. It tells you that it's helping you study. And as you answer all of the questions, you go through and answer all of these. If you don't get it correct, it does show you what the correct answer is. For instance, here if you put none, it will tell you that it is actually capitalist economy. And as you just go through, you can do this. This can be a little bit of a trick because it's actually all of them. So when you get to the end, you check your answers. You can view your results of previous tests that you've taken. You can take another practice test to keep working on the information. And then if you are interested in why the answers are what they are, there are also explanations that kind of give a bit more information about why the correct answer is what it is, or just more information about the question. So it's a pretty interesting app, a good way for students to kind of learn a bit about their about what it takes to become a citizen. I think it would be great as part of a larger unit in a high school civics class.